Okay, DHL just dropped off this Amazon Germany order, and I'm a little concerned because the box has some damage. It just arrived this way. When I picked it up off my porch, something fell out. I put it back in, so we'll see if the order is all here. These two Hultafors knives also were part of this order, but these knives shipped from a warehouse in Spain, and these shipped out of Poland. So they did not arrive together. Alright, it looks like the order is complete. Okay, well, that's good news. Damaged box, but the order was complete. This is going to be a very brief video because I'm going to do more extensive reviews. This I bought for an upcoming review. I got this FACOM rotary ratchet because I love my 1/4-inch version of this. This is a 1/2-inch version. The 3/8 rotary ratchet I have is the Proxon, and I have come to dislike it. So that will be another video. This is supposed to be, yeah. So when I check the order, this is by HALDER, and it says non-kickback. I don't know if it's because it's frozen. I can't hear anything rattling. Okay, anyway. I got some new Knipex. Okay, so this one has the serrated teeth and it's flat. Okay, so I got that one. And then I got this. And then I got this set. So I'm going to do a review comparing this with PB Swiss and the old version of these WERA Micro screwdrivers. Here's a Phillips 0, and then this is just a flat blade, 2.5 millimeters. So here's a look at the set. It's got a couple of these more unusual cell phone related tips, 3 sizes of Phillips and 1 flat. By getting this set, it reduced the number of duplicates that I have. These Hultafors knives, these are very inexpensive. They're just nice camping knives. This one is the chisel style. It's got a double bevel, just a basic plastic handle. It's not through tang. They do show striking this in the marketing material, I guess. And these Japanese high carbon steel on these. This one's got a nicer, grippier handle than this. Not a through tang. These are very inexpensive. And compare it to the Bahco, which was in a previous order. I have not reviewed this Bahco. You can see there's a size difference with the Bahco and the Hultafors. And I might do a video comparing this knife with this OLFA Works knife, which is really hard to get out of the sheath, but this is a really nice knife. I really like this OLFA. So I don't know if that's That's probably not apples to apples, but whatever. The OLFA, by the way, is made in Japan, and that is the OLFA Works. This is just a quick overview of some items that I've recently purchased. Stay tuned for video comparing these two rotary ratchets. I've found some things out about the Proxxon that I don't like. And I'm pretty confident that I'm going to do a video of these three sets, which will be a new updated version of an old video where I compared these two sets. So we'll see if WERA has rectified any of the issues that I had with these. Sorry that this video is more of a teaser video, not really in depth. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.